Well guys, if you've seen my video I just did recently showing how bad the snow was coming out my house, it's 10 times worse now. Check this out. I don't even know if I'll be able to open my gate. Oh jeez. I can get my gate open that far. There's a wall of snow right there, about 4 feet high. And then the snow there, look at that. It's almost to the second story roof of that house. And I gotta try to climb up this 4-foot wall and around the corner where it's easily right there is about 7 feet high. And I gotta try to get through there to get out. It must have snowed another 2 feet last night. I don't know what the heck's going on. This is insane. Well, you can see how high my head is here. Looking down, the snow is so deep. There's my doorway that I just came out of, and I had to dig for about 10 minutes so that I could climb up. I'm looking down at the doorway, and I had to climb up this to get out of my house. Look at that snow. It's probably 17 feet of snow right there. And here I go to get out of the house to head to work. I'll be sinking to my thighs or my waist to get out of this house. This is insane. See guys, that's about a 7-foot doorway, and the snow on my walkway is about 6 feet, maybe 5 feet there, and that's after I boot packed it down. It's maybe one of the gnarliest times I've ever had getting out of my house. And on my days off, I'm gonna have to dig all this after working 2 jobs. I pretty much have 0 time to do anything anymore. And here's the tunnel from hell again to try to get out of my house. I couldn't even shut the gate at my door, which means more snow will blow in for the next few days until I have time to dig it. Look at this. Ellis's truck again. It's like deja vu, but worse. Yes, that's a truck, a 4x4 truck. Pure insanity. And on the news it showed all the tourists coming up here, filling the roads. They said it was taking 2 hours to go 10 miles. There'll be 20,000 tourists up here, pissing off every local there is. They haven't plowed Little Trail yet. Our parking lot's 3 to 4 feet deep. My rig is buried. The town is buried. We probably had 11 feet of snow in 14 days. It's just sickening. Well guys, if you enjoy my content, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Feel free to share my video on social media. Show the world this insane snowstorm.